Thank you, Ivana. First of all, I would like to extend my gratitude to our family and friends from the media press, especially a lot of familiar faces are with us this afternoon. Some of my friends from Philippine Pageantry, maraming salamat po talaga for being here. With great honor and pride po talaga to be the next ambassador of Royal Aesthetics. Why? Because after years of being Miss Universe Philippines, still, there's a lot of blessings na dumarating. And I would consider po talaga na this brand, ay isa sa pinakamalaking blessing na nakuha ko this year. Because they trusted me, they saw something in me that we share the same values and the same principles, tsaka kung ano yung pananaw namin in terms of beauty. So, importante po talaga to be with a brand na may common denominator kayo. That's why I'm so blessed and I'm so overwhelmed that up until this moment in my life, may mga nagtitiwala pa rin po sa akin. And also, I would like to acknowledge my managers, Miss John and Sir Mao, right there, for helping me make my dreams come true. Kasi palagi nilang sinasabi sa akin na kahit hindi po ako perfect na artista, perfect na talent, nandyan po sila palagi, nagabayan ako sa lahat ng desisyon na ginagawa ko. Kaya maraming salamat po. Again, good afternoon everyone, at this afternoon magsasaya po tayo. Thank you! Magsasaya talaga. Honestly, there's so much pressure to maintain my face and body as a celebrity. So, hindi natin maiiwasan because of years of, the age, nandun talaga yung normal wear and tear of the body. So, ako personally, I'm also having a lot of struggles. Kasi alam naman natin na to be in the public's eye, hindi biro minsan. Sometimes when I do gain weight, ang dami na agad nagsasabi na, lumaki siya, baka buntis siya, may kwento na agad sa head nila. So, yung expectation palagi ng tao is that yung Rabiyang nakita nila sa Miss Universe is yung Rabia na makikita nila up until now. That's why I'm so blessed to have Royal Aesthetics to help me with maintaining my beauty and my body. So, it's a lie if sasabihin ko na ang pagiging maganda ay effortless, na gumising ako to be like this. It takes a lot of effort. It takes a lot of village. It takes a village for me to look like this. Especially po, I'm also struggling, I'm open with this problem, with my acne problem, na from time to time hindi natin naiiwasan because of stress, because of puyat, sa pagiging artista. Yung mga bagay na po yun, kailangan po natin ng partner clinic kung saan tutulungan tayo to address with this skin problem because it's a problem, but there's a solution. And that's Royal Aesthetics.
Wow. Thank you. Your newest endorser. Ano po yung nakita yung kay Rabia? That's why you tapped her as your newest endorser for this brand.
Okay. Rabia Mateo, I think she embodies the values and qualities that resonates with her brand. And also, one time nag-judge kami together and Miss Binibining Paranaque, so I met her there, and that's why I think she's the perfect brand ambassador for Royal Aesthetics.
Alright, thank you very much po.
Having enough sleep. Pero sa TV ko, ito yung isang sekreto ko din is that paggabi na, I do change my makeup. Naghihilamos po talaga ako. Skincare is very important. Dapat hindi kahit anong pagod mo, kailangan masipag ka pagdating sa iyong mukha. But of course, as a woman, may mga days tayo na hindi talaga natin maiiwasan na may lumalabas na mga blemishes, like pimple, and pagtagal naging acne mark siya. So, kailangan talaga, every 2 weeks, I would also have my facial. And since I struggled with acne, even before joining Miss Universe Philippines, yun po ngayon yung ina-address namin because I have a good makeup lang. Thank you to Mama Shelo, but I have severe acne scars. So yun po yung ina-address namin with my good thing. You don't see it, guys. But deep down there, ang dami kong imperfections sa aking balat. it's such a big honor talaga when brands like this yung nagbibigay sa'yo offer directly. Bakit? Because there's a lot of beautiful celebrities, a lot of beauty queens, mas bago pa kaysa sa akin, but for her to see something in me, automatically, pinagdasal ko talaga at minanifest ko na, Lord, sana ibigay mo tong brand na to sa akin.
Wow, congratulations again. For Miss Arlene po, can you share probably some scheduled activities for her or events pa po lined up as ambassadors for her?
Soon po we will have our photo shoot, and then most probably by this year we'll also put up a billboard po.
Sila ng blood from me, tapos yung plasma, yun yung ginagamit na serum together with that microneedling. So medyo binubutasan yung aking face para ipasok yung plasma, and that would lead to collagen synthesis. Tama po ba, Doc? Na-explain ko naman siya ng maayos. So that would help me to have a more brighter complexion, even texture sa skin ko, kasi yun po talaga yung struggle ko is my acne scars.
Okay, for now, let's take a group photo off again together with Miss Arlene Damon, Mr. Sir Renz Banawa, and Mr. Jeffrey De Leon. Solo photo of Rabia here in front. Together, of course, with our CEO. Once again, family, wow, congratulations. You may